It's the news the UK and the world has been waiting for. A vaccine that is cheap to make at huge scale and easy to deliver almost anywhere has proved effective at preventing COVID-19. For the British scientist who spearheaded its development, a big day.
Is it a punch the air moment?
Really, no. It was more of a relief. On behalf of the whole team who worked on this, I'm really proud of what we've done.
And some of that team got a royal call of congratulation.
Well done, I'm so pleased for all of you guys, I really am.
Data from more than 23,000 volunteers shows the Oxford AstraZeneca vaccine gives 70% protection from COVID. But that overall figure averages two quite different results. 2 full doses given 1 month apart only gave 62% protection. But a half dose followed by a full dose worked much better, giving 90% protection from disease.
What normally happens is in infection is that we get a small amount of a virus coming into the body and then it replicates, it multiplies and spreads throughout the body and gradually increases. And it may be that by giving a small amount of the vaccine followed by a larger amount of the vaccine, that's a better way of mimicking a real infection.
Plans to make the vaccine in mind-boggling volumes are already in place. 300 million doses by the end of March, 3 billion by the end of next year. And in half doses, there'll be even more to go round.
It's the third goal in the back of the net now in my penalty shootout. It's the third vaccine with a positive readout. And it really does make it highly likely that in the months that follow, we're going to have in COVID a vaccine preventable disease, which is terrific news.
But to end a global crisis will require a global effort. Helpfully, manufacturer AstraZeneca has pledged to make no profit from the vaccine, selling it at cost while the pandemic lasts.
We want to be moving towards eradication, ultimately, elimination of the virus. We need to do this on a global level. There is always the potential when the virus is circulating elsewhere in the world that it could get reintroduced.
There is still the important hurdle of getting approval from medicine regulators. But just 10 months after the vaccine was created in this lab, we are on the cusp of being able to use it to combat COVID.